Welcome to the exciting realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. This journey offers a unique opportunity to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces that can enhance any space. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, there's something fulfilling about shaping wood with your own hands. This craft not only allows for artistic expression, but also provides a tangible product that can be cherished for years to come. As you delve into woodworking, you'll discover a community of passionate individuals who share tips, techniques, and inspiration, making the experience even more enriching. In this exploration, we'll uncover easy woodworking projects that anyone can undertake, focusing on many projects that are perfect for beginners and seasoned artisans alike. These projects not only serve as a great way to hone your skills, but can also be transformed into profitable ventures. With thoughtful marketing and a commitment to quality, you can turn your passion into a business. From creating unique handmade items to establishing a brand that resonates with customers, the possibilities are endless. Join us as we navigate this fulfilling craft, sharing ideas and strategies to help you grow from small beginnings into a thriving woodworking enterprise. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support really helps us grow and reach more woodworking enthusiasts like you. Stay tuned until the end for some exciting tips and project ideas that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being a part of our community. Woodworking can be a fulfilling and profitable hobby, especially when you focus on creating many projects that are both easy to make and appeal to a broad audience. The key to success in this venture lies not only in craftsmanship, but also in understanding your market and effectively promoting your creations. Starting small allows you to hone your skills while minimizing initial investment risks. As you gain confidence and experience, you can scale your operations, diversify your offerings, and even explore niche markets. Marketing your woodworking creations is essential to growing your business. Start by establishing an online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce websites. Share high-quality images of your projects, showcasing their details and functionality. Engaging storytelling can also enhance your marketing efforts. Discuss your creative process, the inspiration behind each piece, and your commitment to sustainability. This personal connection can resonate with potential buyers and encourage them to support your work. When beginning your woodworking journey, consider projects that can be completed quickly and require minimal materials. These mini woodworking projects can range from decorative items to practical household goods. By selecting projects that are simple yet aesthetically pleasing, you can attract customers who appreciate handmade craftsmanship. Items that can be personalized or customized tend to sell well, as they offer a unique touch that mass-produced goods often lack. As you develop your brand, consider incorporating environmentally friendly practices into your woodworking projects. Sourcing reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood not only reduces your ecological footprint, but also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability in your marketing materials can help differentiate your products in a competitive market. Many customers are willing to pay a premium for products that align with their values, making this a smart strategy for growth. Networking within the woodworking community can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Attend local craft fairs, workshops, or meetups to connect with fellow woodworkers and potential customers. These interactions can lead to collaborations, referrals, and a deeper understanding of market trends. Additionally, participating in online forums and social media groups can help you showcase your work and gain feedback from peers, further refining your skills and product offerings. Incorporating seasonal or themed projects into your lineup can help maintain customer interest throughout the year. For example, creating holiday decorations or seasonal gifts can attract buyers looking for unique items that celebrate special occasions. By planning your projects around these themes, You can create a sense of urgency, encouraging customers to purchase items that fit specific times of the year. This strategy not only boosts sales, but also keeps your creative juices flowing as you experiment with new ideas. As your woodworking skills improve, consider expanding your product range to include larger or more complex items. This evolution can attract a different customer base and increase your profit margins. However, it's important to balance this growth with your capacity to deliver quality craftsmanship. Maintaining a consistent standard across all your products will help build a loyal customer base that returns for future purchases. Building a strong brand identity is crucial for long-term success in the woodworking business. Your brand should reflect your values, style, and the quality of your work. Consider creating a memorable logo, consistent packaging, and a cohesive online presence. These elements work together to create a professional image that instills confidence in potential buyers. A strong brand can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace and foster customer loyalty. Engaging with your audience and building a community around your woodworking projects can lead to increased sales and customer retention. Use social media to share behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, or tips related to woodworking. Encouraging followers to share their own woodworking experiences can create a sense of belonging, making your brand more relatable. This interaction not only boosts visibility, but also enhances customer loyalty, as people tend to support brands they feel connected to. Leveraging customer feedback and testimonials can also enhance your marketing efforts. Encourage buyers to leave reviews and share photos of your products in use. Positive testimonials can serve as powerful endorsements, influencing potential customers' purchasing decisions. Highlighting these reviews on your website and social media profiles can build trust and credibility, making it easier for new customers to choose your products over competitors. Exploring various sales channels can further expand your reach and profitability. In addition to selling online, consider local craft fairs, farmers markets, or consignment opportunities at local shops. Each sales channel offers unique advantages, from face-to-face interactions at markets to the broader audience of online platforms. Diversifying your sales strategy can help you reach different demographics and increase your overall sales volume. As you embark on your woodworking journey, it's essential to choose projects that not only interest you, but also resonate with potential buyers. Consider exploring themes that reflect current trends or seasonal demands. For instance, creating items that celebrate local culture or incorporate popular design aesthetics can enhance your appeal. By aligning your projects with what's trending, you increase your chances of capturing the attention of a larger audience, ultimately boosting your sales. Moreover, establishing a consistent routine for your woodworking projects can lead to higher productivity and quality. Dedicate specific times each week to work on your creations, whether for personal enjoyment or for your business. This commitment not only helps you refine your skills, but also builds a portfolio of work that you can showcase to potential customers. Over time, a disciplined approach will allow you to tackle more complex projects and expand your offerings, setting you apart in a competitive market. Networking with other woodworkers and artisans can provide invaluable insights and opportunities. Join local woodworking clubs, attend craft fairs, or participate in online forums to connect with like-minded individuals. These interactions can lead to collaborations, mentorships, or even joint marketing efforts. Learning from others in the field can not only enhance your skills, but also introduce you to new techniques and materials that can elevate your work. Investing in quality tools and materials can significantly enhance your woodworking projects. While it may require an upfront investment, high-quality tools can improve your efficiency and the overall quality of your work. As you grow, consider gradually upgrading your equipment, focusing on tools that will expand your capabilities. This approach ensures that you can tackle more complex projects while maintaining the quality that customers expect. Finally, Always keep learning and evolving your skills. Attend workshops, take online courses, or read books to stay updated on woodworking techniques and trends. Continuous learning not only enhances your craftsmanship, but also keeps your offerings fresh and innovative. Staying informed about industry developments can position you as a knowledgeable creator, further attracting customers who value expertise and quality in handmade products. By focusing on these strategies, you can transform your woodworking hobby into a thriving business. The combination of quality craftsmanship, effective marketing, and a commitment to sustainability will set you apart in the crowded marketplace. With dedication and creativity, your small woodworking projects can grow into a successful venture that brings both personal satisfaction and profit. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your support and hope you found the content inspiring and helpful for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and continue creating valuable content. We're grateful to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more creative ideas in the future.